careful. Just be, have fun, be messy, and yeah, creative, ganyan. Nababo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and I'm with my daughter, Isabel. Welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, it's a little bit special because again, for the first time kasama ko si Isabel dito sa vlog na to. Because later on, we're gonna be, opening this DIY cupcake kit brought to us by Peace Kitchen. So I'm excited. Aside from we're gonna be doing, magdi-design kami ng mga cupcakes for today, meron pa silang mga sined na other sweets for us to try on. Alright, so are you excited, Isa? Sabihin mo na sa kanila, Nano-babo ka balen. Lakasan mo, 1, 2, go!
Nano-babo ka balen.
Alright. Okay, so let's open this. So, up front, you got, dito sa DIY cupcake kit natin, meron tayong 6 na cupcakes. Plus, we have some icing. So, we have 3 colors. May blue. What color is this?
Pink.
This one? Purple. And then, meron tayong mga sprinkles, no? Iba-iba yung mga sweets pa rin yan. Okay, so I'm gonna hand you this plate. Tapos, sige, kuha ka na ng cupcake. Start tayo with a small hole. And then, so gagawin mo isa, i-press mo lang siya dyan. So, para siyang magiging your pen. Parang ganun. Yeah, okay. Alright, careful. Just be, have fun, be messy, and yeah, creative, ganyan. So, what are you drawing? Butterfly. So, first, decoration daw niya ay butterfly. So, ito yung mga sprinkles natin. If you want to use them. So, piniprepare ko lang yung table natin para cleaning up. Just cleaning up. Okay, I'm gonna move this box here para pag-usapan naman natin yung mga iba pa niyang mga products. So, from their menu, let me just read yung mga available list of products nila. So, they do have Belgian Coconut Macaroons. So, meron silang Coconut Macaroons Dunk in Premium Belgian Chocolate. Cheezy Coconut Macaroons. Meron din tayong Coconut Macaroon Duo. So, that is a combination of the Belgian at saka yung cheesy macaroons natin. Okay, so meron din tayong chocolate mousse cake. It's a moist chocolate cake topped with our heavenly chocolate mousse. Meron din tayong timeless caramel cake, which is, I think, I'm gonna spend most of the time sa vlog na to. And then, meron din silang dulce de leche cake. That's a butter cake, dulce de leche cream drizzled with caramel topped with thin almond slices. And then, lastly, part ng mga product nila is yung DIY cupcake kit natin. Alright, so as soon as you receive the kit, you're gonna have this DIY instruction. Alright, so I think I can see na yung mga wings niya, yung body niya. Ayun, so again, actually guys, this is a little bit special for us. Sabi ko nga kanina, kasi for the first time, I'm with my daughter Isa. And for the first time, I think this is yung unang business na magkakaroon ng DIY kit, mga DIY cupcake kit, no? First time in the sense na sa mga nagpa-feature sa amin. So, ayun, so while Isa is finishing yung butterfly niya, I'm gonna taste yung mga ibang pinadala nila. So this is the Belgian Coconut Macaroon natin, dunk on a premium Belgian chocolate. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Premium Belgian indeed. Ang sarap niya, grabe. This one naman is the Cheezy Coconut Macaroon. From the name itself, it's cheesy. Oh wow. So parang tamang-tama lang siya. This is for my wife because she loves cheesy. Ako naman dito yung Belgian Chocolate, talagang partner sa kanya. Okay, how is it going? So naglagay tayo ng mga sprinkles. Okay, are you happy with your design? Really? The first one is a butterfly. Ayan guys. Appreciate nyo naman. Come on. There you go. Let's proceed with the other cakes, no? Let's taste this. Oh, man, this is so lovely. Oh wow. while Isa is enjoying with her cupcake kit. Ako naman nag-enjoy ako dito sa mga cakes na pinadala nila. Oh, I like it. So ayun, more than just enjoying a really great dessert for the cakes or the macaroons, I think yung mga time na ganito is really memorable din, no? So you get to spend some time with your family, with your daughter, appreciating art. So ako rin, makiki-appreciate din ako. There you go. So, Isa has a flower. Ako naman, meron tayong whip logo. So, while we are waiting for Isa, let me just state some information. So, actually, Peace Kitchen o si Paulette's Kitchen is a registered business since 2012. The owner is actually a former beauty queen turned into a baker and a businesswoman. So, yeah. Just follow your passion. Ika nga nila, diba? So, I'm done with mine. Are you done with yours, baby? What is that? I love. Wow, that is so sweet. Okay, pakita natin. This is mine. Peace Kitchen, and Isa says I love you. All right, so we're gonna taste this, guys. If you're interested to do the same kung ano yung experience namin today, make sure to check out Peace Kitchen. We're gonna be flashing the fan page on your screens right now. Make sure to contact them and follow them as well para po maging updated tayo sa mga promos or announcement nila. So, once again, thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. We're gonna taste this and I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the vlog with my daughter Isa. Thanks for joining me, Isa. Alright, cheers guys! Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay at home, and God bless us all. You like it?